Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Cuts by Reggie back with another video, and today we just got a wave level cut. Not really a waver, but we're gonna do a taper. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. And man, I've been sitting on this video for a second for two reasons. One, I forgot to wipe off the lens, at least this lens. When I swap lens later, you will see the difference. But second, man, my angles, man, I've noticed sometimes I be rushing trying to get a haircut recorded since I don't record as many haircuts. So I be rushing and the angles just don't be right, man. But I did want to give y'all some content. I haven't been posting content as much as I usually do. So we did cut it down using the monster clippers. The Cerberus clippers with the one guard open. And here we are putting that bald fade, as y'all can see, not bald fade, but the bald taper. But as y'all can see, when I swap to the different lens, the lens that is in a cover, so don't need to be cleaned as often, it looks a little better. But using these clippers, man, I am, as you can see me, I got them wide open right now with no guard, putting my fade in, making sure that everything is coming out correct. This is the half guard. These are, like I said, these are the Cerberus clippers and trimmers from Monster. I've been loving them. I've been using them a lot, man, especially the clippers. And they are, I put out a Instinct versus Cerberus clipper video. The trimmers, I have been using them, not as much, but they have been getting used, right? So here we are with the one guard. We started with it closed, all the way open. Same process. Nothing changes when it comes to each step that I do. I start closed, halfway, all the way open, working my way up. As y'all know, I don't put in hard guidelines. This part where I'm flicking it right here triggered me the whole time, right? I'm trying to get out this dark spot. I'm working on it. Once I start stretching the skin, I think it's just the mark from where he wear his glasses. Dude, I tried everything, because when I'm looking at it, it's like, you know, get that line out. You know what I'm saying? But this, matter of fact, this video is just a test to my angles, the cloudiness of it. Not everything's gonna be perfect. You know what I'm saying? But as long as you're working on following your steps and working on getting better, you eventually get the results you're looking for. You know what I'm saying? Here we are on the other side of their head doing the same thing. But this is what I wanted to show. The lining with these trimmers. Boom. Right? Fresh out the box, they did not hit like this. I have gotten a lot better with setting my trimmers. So yes, these trimmers are good. I don't like the bulkiness of the trimmer, right? Especially going around the ear. That wide angle at the top just kind of, that wide body just kind of get in the way sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not as big of a fan of the trimmer. I did want to use it in this video just to see that, just to show how they work once you got them set. I didn't have no problem with them at all. So here we are again. Like I said, we just getting everything in order, getting everything clean. Y'all will see me once I get to the front of the hairline. I do switch to the Cocoa trimmers. The main thing was his hairline. How do you fix a hairline when it got them light spots without using enhancements? I want to start with the lowest part up front in the middle, working my way to one side, matching it up with the other side, all right? So I always start in the middle, and I always move to the left first. That's just what works for me. I get that side done, then I turn to the other side, and then I'm gonna work my way from the middle over to the other side of the head, then put in that vertical bar, making sure that everything is on point. Here we are on the other side of the head. These Cocoa trimmers, besides my Flex trimmers, these Cocoa trimmers is it, man. No matter what I done said about Morano, I done said my shit about him and his digital gapping, and I still feel the same about digital gapping. It's just zero gapping to me. But whatever he does with these blades, this is fresh out the box. You know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, man, I just wanted to drop some content. It's been a while. I've been dealing with some things and trying to get things situated. So we are trying to get back on a routine. And here I am. Two things, or another thing again, I didn't even get a full 360 of the cut, but this is the cut. I'm using them bevel trimmers just to kind of clean everything up. But the client liked the video, or the client liked the haircut. So if you like the video, if you stayed this long, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we'll be back very soon. Very soon. Peace.